Welcome class. Today we are going to see the next part of our chapter number 11 circle of class 7. In last video you have learned about the radii, chord and diameter. Also we have practically tried to find the value of the circumference, diameter, radius given in the picture. Today we are going to see more about it. Now you will go for page number 76 of standard 7 textbook. See that the ratio of circumference of any circle of its diameter is little over 3 and remain constant. This constant is represented by Greek letter pi. Great mathematicians have proved through hard work that this number is not a rational number in practice. The value of pi is taken to be 22/7 or 3.14. If the value of pi has not been given in the problem, it is taken to be 22/7. If the radius is r, diameter d, circumference c, then c circumference upon diameter is equal to pi. C is equal to pi d. Now I will explain this relation, how it is coming. See that you know that C is equal to pi d. Now you may also write, therefore d will remain here. D is equal to C upon pi. But now C is equal to pi d, but d is, you know that d is diameter of the circle, diameter, which is 2 times r. So you may also write C is equal to 2 pi r. This 2 pi 2 because diameter is twice the radius. So you may write this C is equal to 2 pi. It is given in here. Now we will go through this problem. The diameter of circle is 40 cm. Find its circumference. Diameter d is equal to 40 cm. C is equal to pi d. See now in problem first you have C is equal to pi d. Now d is equal to 40 cm. C is equal to 22/7 into 40. 7 ones are 7 twos are. C is equal to 44 cm. So like this you will find. Now circumference is given. In next problem C is equal to 198 is given. Now you know formula, C is equal to pi d. Now in place of C you write 198 22/7 into d, diameter. So what is your diameter? You want to find the diameter or the radius. You may write d like this, but 198 is equal to 2/7 into 2 into r. Instead of d, we will take it as radius. Now we want to find r. So what we will do, this 7 will go here. 7198 will be equal to 22 into 2 into r. Now what I will do, I will divide this by 22/2. 22 into 2, this will be cancelled, and r you will have 7 into 198/22 into 2. Similarly, when you will do this, we will find the value of r. So you will have here 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 11 twos are 22, 11 nines are. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 7 9s are 63 divided by 2. So when you will do divide it by 2, r is equal to 31.5 and your div will be equal to 2 into means 35.503 and 6, it will be equal to 63 centimeter. In this way you will solve the given solve problem. See that in solve problem here is calculation, so you should do it properly. Write all this example in your classwork notebook. Now let us see another problem. The radius of circular plot is 7.7 meter. How much will it cost to finish plot with 3 rounds of wire at the rate of 50 rupees per meter? Now circumference of circular plot is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7. R is equal to 7.1. See, it is given. Now I will do that calculation on the paper, so you will understand it. Now see, here you have given C is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7.7. You will have 2 into 22, 7, 1.1, 1.1. Now when you will multiply this, 22 into 44.1, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So you will have 44 something, 7 1 the 7, 1.2 to 22 into 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4.4 into 1 is equal to 7.22 into 22 upon 7 into 7.7. So 7 1s are 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. 2 into 22 into 1.5. You will find this answer. So length of, then you will find the length of wire. When you will find the length of wire for one round, then it will be equal to 48.4 meter. Therefore, you will find the cost of one round. For one round, how much it is? That is length of wire into cost of wire. So you write 48.4 into 50 paisa, which is equal to 2,240 rupees. Now cost of 3 round. Now it will go for 3 round. That is 3 into 2420, which is 7,260 rupees. Follow from page number 76 of textbook. Thank you. In next video, we'll see a next problem.